On this particular toilet, the shutoff valve is behind it on the left-hand side, and this is a multi-turn. I would actually prefer a quarter turn, but this is what I've got to work with. This particular shutoff valve is a brass craft, and you can see there is a compression fitting where I can remove the handle and then actually remove the guts. So it's possible that if I just shut the water off in the basement, I might be able to pull the guts out of this thing, put in a new shutoff, and make my life very easy. So we're gonna give that a shot today. So returning from Lowe's, I actually picked up a new handle. It was probably a couple bucks, as well as a stem repair kit for Brasscraft. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and shut the water off and see if we can do a quick repair on this thing. All right, so this is a pretty old house, but I did find the shutoff for that lower bathroom. So now we can start working on that toilet. And by running the cold water, I can confirm that the water is off. And to drain the toilet, I'll give it a flush. And I'm also going to run the cold water on the tub just to try and get as much water out of these pipes as possible. Next, I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to loosen the handle. Get that out of the way. And now I'm going to throw a wrench on this compression fitting and loosen that, and hopefully it comes off pretty easily. We'll just get this on here. Nice, that loosened pretty easily. All right, so I do have a towel around it because we will likely lose some water from down this pipe as I remove this. Just need to kind of crank this guy out. All right, once you break that free, then you can unscrew it by hand. We'll let the towel catch that water. So here's the old stem, and you can see the rubber washer is actually gone. So it's obvious why it wasn't running water anymore. So we are going to install the new valve stem, and then we will put the rubber washer and the new plastic washer inside this fitting, and then we will put it all back together. So now we will install the new valve stem and just turn it clockwise to get it on there. All right, and now with the rubber washer and plastic washer on this fitting, we will put that guy back on, tighten it by hand first, and now we'll snug it down with our wrench. Not too tight, but we don't want it to leak. And now we can put our handle back on and our screw. That feels pretty good. So I've got the new valve stem installed. I've got the water back on, the valve open, and there are no leaks. So this project is complete.